Hi, friends. It's Miss Ashley, and we are still talking about our winter animals. And some of those animals sleep all winter long, just like the bear. And this book is called The Bear Snores On. Ooh, look. What do you see? I see lots of snow and a cave. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long and cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Look at him sleeping in there. I see his back. He's in a cave. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. Shh, can you go to sleep too? Shh. Wake up, wake up, wake up! There's someone coming in. Look. Can you see what it is? It's a mouse. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, creep crawls through the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeals, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. The mouse was cold, and so he came in and he made a fire. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Shh. Shh. Uh-oh. Wake up, wake up, wake up! Someone else is coming. Oh, look. Who else is in the cave? It's a bunny, a hare. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. The mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Oh, mouse," says hare, "long time no see." So they pop white popcorn and they brew some black tea. The bunny and the mouse are in the cave and they're having a snack. The mouse sips, wee slurps, and the big hare burps. But the bear snores on. Shh. Shh. Are you asleep? Wake up, wake up, wake up! Oh my! Look! It's a badger. Can you see him? I see his face, his nose. Oh, the badger scuttles by, sniffs in the air. I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share. I've brought honey nuts, the badger says with a grin. Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in. Now the bunny and the mouse and the badger are all having a snack in the bear's cave. Oh my goodness. They nibble and they munch with the chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. Shh. Shh. Are you sleeping? Wake up, wake up, wake up! Oh, so many animals came. Look. I see a mole, a gopher, a big black bird, that's called a raven, and a little wren. It's a little brown bird. They're all coming in the den now. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. The mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" says the wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. Now they're all inside the bear's den. In the cave. They tweet and they twitter. They chat and they chitter. But, you say it with me this time. The bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his own very own lair. They're just having a party in there, aren't they? They're dancing and having snacks. And what is the bear doing? Yeah, he's still sleeping. The hare strokes the fire. The mouse makes some stew. That's some soup. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear. Uh-oh. Sometimes when I'm cooking, I use pepper. Pepper can be spicy. If I smell it, it can make me go, chew! Oh my. He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. Can you freeze? Good freezing. Look at them. Look at that bunny. I'd be kind of nervous. Oh, look at that bear's face. Uh-oh. The bear wakes up. He gnarls and snarls. Can you do it? He roars and he rumbles. Inside roar. Roar. He jumbles, he jumps, and he stomps. Stomp those feet. He growls and grumbles. Oh, good job. Look. They're looking very scared. Oh, but look. I see that the bear is crying. He's sad. You've snuck in my lair and you've had all fun. But me, I was sleeping and I have had none. Oh, he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans. And the bear cries on. Can you cry? Look, the little mouse squeaks. Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn. We can brew more tea. Look, the bear is starting to smile. Look at them now. Can you show me a big smiling face? Yeah. He gulps and he gobbles. Yum, 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 yum. He sighs with delight. He spins tall tales through the blustery night. And when the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, the bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. That bear slept for a really long time. But his friends didn't, and now they're so tired. Can everyone go to sleep one more time for me? His friends were so tired. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Good job, friends. I hope you liked this book, and you can practice retelling it on Seesaw, okay? Have fun.